In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Shopify account. If you're thinking about starting an online store, Shopify is an excellent platform to consider. Known for its ease of use and robust features, it's a popular choice for many entrepreneurs. Let's dive right in and walk you through the steps you'll need to set up your account. First off, you'll need to open your browser and head to Shopify's website. Simply type www.shopify.com into the address bar and press enter. This will take you to the homepage of Shopify, which is where you'll start your journey in creating your new store. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice various options and perhaps a little marketing buzz highlighting Shopify's features. But for now, all you need to do is find the prominent Start for Free button. This is your gateway to the Shopify universe, and clicking it will allow you to begin setting up your account with a free trial period. It's a great way to explore what Shopify can do for you without any initial investment. When you click Start for Free, you'll be directed to a page where your email address is required. Make sure to use an email address that you check regularly, as Shopify will send you important information and updates. It's always a good practice to keep your business-related accounts separate from your personal ones, so consider creating a new email if necessary. Next, it's time to set up your credentials. Shopify will ask you to create a password. Choose something secure and memorable. A good tip is to use a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to ensure your account is well protected. Alongside your password, you'll also need to come up with a store name. This is crucial, as it's how your customers will identify your brand. Take your time with this step and pick a name that resonates with your business goals and brand vision. You might want to jot down a few ideas and check their availability to ensure they're not already taken. And that's it! You've just created your Shopify account. You are now ready to explore the dashboard, which is full of tools to help you design your store, add products, and manage your orders.
Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You might want to explore some tutorials and resources on Shopify's website to help you make the most out of its features. Thank you for joining me today in setting up your Shopify account. I hope this guide was helpful in getting you started on your new e-commerce journey. Remember, the beginning steps are sometimes the hardest, but once you're underway, you'll find plenty of resources and support to help you succeed. Happy selling!